Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video will be for absolute beginners to install Raspberry Pi on your desktops virtually. In case if you don't have a display for Raspberry Pi, this is the right video for you to install Raspbian OS on desktop, and the second part will be for connecting it to the TV. So first click on the first link of Raspberry Pi and now go to the softwares. So as soon as you come to the softwares, here you need to download it for Windows. So in case if you have other devices, you can download it for that. So here this is a Raspberry Pi imager which is about 19 to 20 MB. After downloading it, we will open it via search. So here comes our Raspberry Pi imager. So we will open it. So it will take a minute or so to write, and after this you need to click on operating system. Once it start writing is done, so here this is the display which you will see. So you need to select the type as Linux and for the operating system, and click on others. So after this click on next and select the MB, so it should be 1024. After this click on create and then do next. So after this click next, and here one thing you need to do is make it as a 15 GB and for the file location and size, and then create it. I hope till here you all got it. So after this we will just create it. So once you are done with this step, now we will go to settings. So in settings you can see there's a basic one, or you can go to the just storage and click on empty. So here when you click on empty, here you can see a side small disk. You need to choose and create this disk, and here we will add it. So once you go here, I'll give you a link in the description. You need to download that. It is called a Raspbian Duster. So here we will go to virtual again after downloading it and add. So I'll just go to the folder where it is. So probably it is on my downloads. So this is a Raspbian Buster. The link for this file will be given in the description. You can just download it and choose it. So it will start adding this file. So once it is added, you need to click on OK. So after this we are done with our second step. So we will just start it. It will take some time and then it will get started. Now here we have got a Oracle VM virtual box and it has been started. So here we will just see how we can run it. So first just cancel this out and go down and click on install. So use your keyboard and install it, and after this you will see one more display. So here you need to choose the languages, and here I am preferring it to be English. So in case if you use a mouse, it will show that dialog box, and so here you can see a blank blue one. So it will start loading the additional components, which takes few seconds. So we'll just fast forward it. So this one is for a virtual setup of Raspbian desktop on your laptop itself. So the next part would be how you can connect the Raspberry Pi to your HDMI with HDMI cables on your TVs. So this would be the second part. So once it is done, now this screen appears where it says a partition of disks, and here you need to create the partitions, and after this you can just write the changes and click on yes. So once you click on yes, and again it will start installing the system. So it will start copying the data to the disk. Since it is absolute beginners video, so I am showing all the things step by step so that you can understand. And this tutorial is for installing it virtually on your desktops, and after this we will come up with the different projects on Raspberry Pi 4. So I guess this would be interesting playlist. And okay, so we are done here. And just click on this and install. Now we will install and click on yes. So mostly you need to use a keyboard here. Whenever you use a mouse, you will get that box arriving. uh, so we will just install this now. Just click on yes. And after this, we will get this dev/sta. Then you need to select that, and it will start again installing. So after this, it will finish the installing process. Guys, if you like this video or you find this video anyway useful, I want you guys to right now go and subscribe. And then here you can see the installation is complete, and then we will finish the configuration settings and finish the installations. So after this, here as you can see, the desktop has arrived. Here you need to select your location or the language which you want to use for running Raspberry. Here you need to change your password by entering a new password and confirming it. So if you found this video any way helpful, I want you guys to right now go and click on the subscribe button, and also please press the bell icon to get updated with the latest notifications and all the Raspberry Pi videos which I'm going to be posting on my YouTube channel with the different projects. So here I have connected the mouse port, and this is a power signal from this power bank, and this is the wire connected to the HDMI of the TV. So once you connect that to the port of the TV on HDMI 1 or 2, it will start loading, and this would be the display on TV. So this is how you can connect it externally. So you can connect it externally on TV, or you can do it virtually. So here you get the laptop, the desktop of Raspberry Pi, where you can use it with the wireless mouse, and you can connect a keyboard to that and work on it.